Hello there, fourth graders. This is my house. I have to defend it. Do you know what movie that's from? It's from Home Alone, and he has to defend his movie, and we have to defend or justify our answers a lot as well. This is going to be called Lesson 6.17. It's not one that you find in your math journal, but it does cover a key concept here in fourth grade, and that is what to do with parentheses. So, when we talk about defending our answer, a lot of times we talk about that in reading, right? Where we say we need to find some text evidence, some proof. And today we're going to need to be able to defend our answer as well. So what I want to give you here is some time to look at these two number sentences down at the bottom. Okay. I want you to take a look at those two, and I want you to be able to tell me which of those two you think is the true one, the first or the second. And now I want you to be able to tell me why you picked that, right? You have to defend your answer. Why is your answer the correct one? All right, well, let's have a little discussion here, because this all has to do with the order that you complete the steps in. And I can actually do a little trick here. So what I want to do first is this. Watch this. These are parentheses. Now, you should have learned about parentheses in third grade. What do you remember about parentheses in a number sentence? All right, in a number sentence, whatever is in parentheses is something we have to do first. And if you didn't learn that in third grade, now you know, okay? Whatever is in parentheses, we have to do that first. So here, if we put parentheses in this number sentence, it says 28 minus 6, and that equals 22. And then 22 plus 9 equals 31. Yep. Did you say 31? Well, let's look. Well, what if you said the bottom one? Watch this. Let's switch colors here and put this in red. Now I have moved the parentheses. And so now this problem says do 6 times 9 first. Whatever is in the parentheses, that is what we do first. 6 times 9, 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. And 28 minus 15 equals 13. So we could make both of those number sentences true by moving parentheses around. That is our goal today, okay? To be able to use parentheses in number sentences to make number sentences true, okay? And that's something that we're going to work on here today. So let's look at this one, right? So what I'm going to suggest that you do here, we have to figure out how to make this true. And we're going to put some parentheses in here to do that. So what we need to do here, this is a good chance for a strategy that's just called guess and check. You're just going to put the parentheses in. You're going to guess where they might go. And then if you're right, great. And if you're wrong, you'll just change it. Okay, guess and check. So I'm just going to guess here randomly. Okay, 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 10 minus 6, does that equal 14? No. So it wasn't there. Oh no, what should I do? Oh no. Well, I just erased that. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. And move the parentheses. Okay, so as you're writing these in your notebook or on paper, dry erase board, copy them down, put in parentheses, and try them out. All right, let's try this. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. That's right, so we're done. We keep that there. And the same sentence is O equals 4. I remember where that was. It was right here. 3 times 2 equals 6. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay? So we're kind of guessing and checking here as we go. Now, if we have number sentences, we're going to play a little game here. True or false? Number sentences that we have that already have the parentheses in, we're going to check those. And I've got 6 of them here. I'm going to do 2. You're going to help me with 2, and then you're going to do the last 2 on your own. So make sure that you're listening and focusing on what we're doing here. So the parentheses are first here. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And so then I am left with 15 plus 10 equals 25. This one is true. Okay, do you see why? This is true because we do whatever's in the parentheses first, and then we see if it all works out. All right, what's something Mr. White had to do here? What's important to remember? Hopefully you talked about parentheses. Whatever's in the parentheses, we do that first. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. That's a whole lot. And look, it doesn't even say equals. It says greater than, less than sign. All right, parentheses, I see them. 36 divided by 6. That's 6. Got to know those math facts, multiplication, division facts. Remember, 36 divided by 6 is the same as 6 times something equals 36. 6 then divided by 2 is less than 12. Well, 6 divided by 2, now I have to do that. That's 3. 3 is less than 12. Is the mouth eating the bigger number? Yes, it is. So we have another true number sentence. All right, now you're going to help me here. All right, what do I need to do first? Okay, 4 times 8. What is 4 times 8? 32. And so now I have 32 minus 4. Is 32 minus 4 16? It is not. So this one is false. It did not work. Those are not equal. See how this works? All right, what do I do first here? 24 divided by 6, which is what? 4. Then I have left 4 times 3 equals 12. True or false? True. Yep, it worked. 4 times 3 is 12. All right, grab your notebook or dry erase board, and I'd like for you to solve this one. Okay, let's see how you did. This would be 20. 40 minus 20. Well, that would equal 20. So this would say 20 is less than 20. Nope. False. 20, it would be equal to 20. If that was an equal sign, if this was an equal sign, it would have been true, but it's not. So it's false. And here's your other one to try, and then we'll check. All right, where's the parentheses? There they are, 36 here. 36 minus 5 is 31. And on this side, we have 36. The mouth is eating the bigger number. You should have said true. Okay, if the mouth is eating the correct number, then it is a true number sentence. All right, now when you work, you will have some problems that look like this. Now, this looks like your math journal, but these are not in your math journal. Don't go looking in your math journal for these. Okay, but you're going to have problems that are similar to this for you to do. Things where you're going to have to solve, right? You're going to have to solve what this does equal by doing the parentheses first. We didn't do one of these bottom ones together, so let's do one together here before I let you go. We're going to guess, right? 4 times 9 minus 2 equals 34. We need to make that true. So do you take a guess? Do you want to put the parentheses around 4 times 9? Or do you want to put them around 9 minus 0? You can put them anywhere and then check to see if it works. So I'm going to need to put them here. Now, if this works, great, we're done. We go to the next one. If it doesn't work, we move them and try that. Okay, does it work? What do you think? Okay, it does work. Why? It works because 36 minus 2 does equal 34. All right, so our goal today has been to use parentheses in number sentences to make number sentences true, right? The order that we put the numbers in is important, okay? And that's referenced down here just a little bit about order and how numbers are multiplied. And that's true in multiplication as well, right? If you see parentheses, you're always going to do the parentheses first. All right, if you have any questions about parentheses or anything else, you can always rewatch this video. You can always search out other sources, but you can also reach out and let Mr. White know. All right, good luck.